My name is Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. Today, we're going to grill a whole fish, which I know is very intimidating for certain people, but I'm going to make it look easy. We take the fish, give it an olive oil bath, some herbs. We're going to just stick it in the belly, a little sea salt, little pepper, and now we are ready to go. The fish will take 5 minutes on each side. That timing is for a 1-pound fish. This fish is Branzino, and it's flown in from Greece on a daily basis. Now 5 minutes is up, time to flip. Simple as that. One of the reasons why I like grilling Branzino is they're all perfect size. And even if I'm entertaining and I have 12, 15 guests, I cook 12 or 15 fish on my big barbecue. This fish is great.
Joe knows fish.
All right. Five minutes on each side, and it's perfectly grilled. That wasn't so hard, was it?